Recently, the whole market is doing a correction. Experts are releasing their last cautions, but a huge event occurred just now. All of the neighbors were taken aback by it. Immediately rose to the position of Coinbase's most traded currency. We are rapidly running out of supplies. Perhaps this light will be the savior of Shiba Inu. Tell me what's going on. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll try to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. The price of Shiba Inu keeps going down, so today isn't exactly a fantastic day for them. This last day alone has seen a drop of about 1%. People are starting to feel anxious. Plus, after this downturn, investors aren't sure what to do next. Could we see more price drops? The current state of the Shiba Inu pricing was examined by one expert. It would seem like Shiba Inu is going through a difficult time. Those who engage in rapid buying and selling, known as short-term traders, are already pulling back. Some investors are concerned about the future of Shiba Inu as a speculative asset due to the considerable reduction in price caused by this. In the ever-shifting Bitcoin market, many of them are seeking alternatives. Alarming trends have been shown by recent statistics. There has been a dramatic reduction in the number of short-term traders, and some have even stopped trading entirely. Since Shiba Inu hasn't been producing the expected profits, it's easy to see why these traders are losing interest. The problem extends beyond the day traders. People are cutting down on their holdings even if they plan to retain for a year or more. Given the present lack of movement in the price, many investors are opting to liquidate their losses, and this change is making it apparent that Shiba Inu isn't as attractive to traders as it once was. Let me tell you something. Another expert brought out the fact that new users' adoption rate of Shiba Inu has dropped significantly. New addresses entering the Shiba Inu ecosystem have declined dramatically, according to data from the block. Even more worried were fans and investors after Monday's drop to the metric's lowest point in years. To put it in perspective, this measure counts the number of network transactions that originate from fresh addresses. To put it simply, the amount of interest from new users. Additionally, there has been a dramatic decline in the number of new members recently, suggesting that interest in Shiba Inu isn't as high as it previously was. This adoption rate had actually remained rather stable, accounting for 25% to 50% of all transactions since January 2025. However, the most recent fall indicates a significant decrease. Furthermore, this is the lowest amount of new users for Shiba Inu in almost 2 years, which is quite worrisome. Things hit rock bottom in March 2023, which was a major fear for Shiba Inu owners at the time. The recent decline in demand and subsequent price reduction highlight the difficulty the Shiba Inu ecosystem is having in attracting and retaining new members. What exactly is happening here, you may ask? For what reason is the price falling at this rate? To my surprise, Bitcoin seems to be involved. The price of Bitcoin has plummeted, dropping to about 90,000 USD, a decrease of 5% from its value a month earlier. So, why is Bitcoin's price falling? Another bombshell has apparently been released by the Feds today. As a result of investors' reactions to cautious remarks made by senior Federal Reserve officials on interest rates, the whole cryptocurrency market is down. Federal Reserve Governor Michelle Bowman told CNBC that the central bank is considering decreasing interest rates whenever inflation improves, even though monetary policy is doing well at the moment. This view is consistent with what Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has said for some time. The central bank is not rushing to make significant changes to interest rates, as he has made clear. Investors are closely monitoring any indications on the future of these policies. What does this have to do with Shiba Inu, then? The market's unpredictability is having an impact on Shiba Inu, just as it has on Bitcoin. In an environment when confidence is low, investors are understandably wary, particularly when major actors like the Federal Reserve are acting cautiously. The current situation with Shiba Inu is a perfect example of how uncertainty causes greater selling, particularly from short-term traders. But be patient. It seems that the time of doubt and dread may be drawing to a close. The good news is that something very major occurred today that could be very beneficial to Shiba Inu, so there is some hope. With its price soaring and even reaching the 2800 area, Ethereum is now unstoppable. Now we get to the insane phase. At this time, Ethereum is the most actively traded cryptocurrency on Coinbase. Director Connor Grogan of Coinbase said that this is the first occurrence of its kind since 2022. The unprecedented $367 million in trade volume that Ethereum has produced in the last 24 hours is quite remarkable. Things are about to get interesting from here on out. A new chapter has begun. The amount of Ethereum available on exchanges has reportedly fallen to its lowest point in 9 years. When the supply of an asset like Ethereum on exchanges decreases, it can indicate that something significant is about to occur. Thus, this might be a major issue. When there is high demand from buyers but insufficient Ethereum supply, a phenomenon called a supply shock occurs. Currently, investors are hopeful that we may be approaching the market's bottom due to the very low Ethereum reserves on controlled exchanges. If this holds, it would pave the way for an Ethereum rally, as the cryptocurrency seeks to reclaim the $3,000 level, a significant psychological barrier for many. But here's where things get interesting. The so-called altcoin period might be postponed, according to one expert, if Ethereum's price can't maintain its current level. Maintaining its strength is crucial for Ethereum in order for the market to experience altcoin season, when lesser currencies often see significant price jumps. In a recent social media post, prominent analyst Ali expressed concern that altcoin period might grind to a stop if Ethereum is unable to maintain a price over 2,600. If Ethereum can't hold that critical level, it may bring the altcoin market down with it. For the most part, when Ethereum is doing well, the entirety altcoin market does as well, with lesser coins seeing an uptick as investors seek out higher profits. However, the altcoin market might be rocked if Ethereum fails and its price plummets. Just a moment, however, things are about to become interesting. Ethereum has not only maintained its position above that crucial support level, but it has also exceeded it in an unexpectedly short period of time, according to today's charts. If Ethereum is unable to maintain that critical level, as the experts have warned, will the altcoin season be postponed? If so, will Shiba Inu have a significant rebound soon? So, let me explain. Since Shiba Inu is based on the Ethereum network, its value tends to fluctuate in lockstep with that of Ethereum. Other coins that use the same blockchain often feel the benefits of Ethereum's success. It should be noted that a significant number of Shiba Inu owners are also active on Coinbase, a prominent exchange where Ethereum is quite popular. Therefore, additional interest and investment in Shiba Inu might follow if Ethereum starts to show power and breaks through important resistance levels. Shiba Inu could finally have their happy ending if the cryptocurrency season gets going. We may see a significant increase in the price of Shiba Inu as Ethereum's momentum grows and the general attitude changes towards other cryptocurrencies. It has the potential to propel Shiba Inu to unprecedented levels, maybe even higher than its previous record. For those who have been patiently waiting for a turnaround after the recent drops, it would be a tremendous boost. Even more thrilling is the possibility that this may finally indicate that the losses endured by many Shiba Inu owners over the last several months may begin to diminish. As their portfolios recover, individuals who have been burdened by the recession may begin to experience a feeling of relief. Furthermore, if the excitement about Shiba Inu reaches new heights, the mood might become electric, attracting additional traders and increasing the entire momentum. If things keep going according to plan, this might be the start of a major turning point for Shiba Inu. Those hoping to cash in on what may be a watershed moment for the Shiba Inu ecosystem may find some excellent possibilities in the coming weeks. So, there's no need to be too worried just now, since the price is acting erratically. Shiba Inu seems to be well positioned for a prosperous future and some quite remarkable price milestones in the future. Even if Shiba Inu is experiencing some difficulties in the near term, the promise is still apparent when looking at the big picture and considering where the breed may go in the next years. Additionally, bear in mind the following. The Shiba Inu people, often known as Shibazins, have a remarkable knack for maintaining perspective no matter what. If you want to stay forever, unpleasant days don't matter, as one of their recent tweets aptly puts it. The spirit of a Shiba Inu's trip is wonderfully captured by this. The tough days don't seem so horrible if you're in it for the long haul, albeit there are ups and downs. Keep in mind that the crypto markets are volatile, but that the important thing is to look at the broader picture. If you're dedicated to the cause and the community, the difficulties will fade into the past when Shiba Inu accomplishes what many think it is capable of. So do your best to be patient and optimistic. A lot of exciting things are in store. Having said that, how do you feel about this? Drop a comment in the space provided. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.